Hey guys, it's Cyndie Shelton with CyndieShelton.com. I wanted to make a video today because um, I've been in my econ now for well, hey, 3 months today, 90 days today, so happy anniversary to me. But I continue to do training and learning, and I've learned some powerful truths about my econ that I totally missed the point, I think, when I joined my econ. And so I'm going to share some information with you, some slides with you that I borrowed from a team member. They're not original to me, but there's some powerful truths packed in this that I want to share with you if you're considering my econ as a home-based business. Now, where I have had it wrong is just that my econ is a home-based business without really focusing on the main product system of what my econ is about. Sure, you already know that we have credit repair and things like that, but that's not the main thrust of what we have. Did you know you can be in my econ, never refer a soul, never sell a product, and yet absolutely change your finances, absolutely change your financial situation, absolutely accumulate wealth without ever referring a person, without ever selling a product? And I'm going to explain that and how that part is actually the icing on the cake, but it's not the cake. You want the cake. So just understanding what you would get your hands on if you join my econ, it's the perfect hybrid, meaning that it's an affiliate company. That means you can be affiliate for their products. An affiliate doesn't necessarily refer people into a business. That's where your network marketing aspect comes in. The affiliate sells the products, and we'll talk about that in just a second. And you earn high commissions on your personal production as an affiliate or as a network marketer, or it's a perfect hybrid where you can both sell the products and refer people into your business. And when you do that, you get generous overrides by the company, both on the people you refer, and so, the team building, and also on the products that you sell. But we have 5 financial solutions that everyone needs, and that is the thrust of what my econ is. And that's what I want to talk about today. This was so exciting for me and revolutionizing for me because not everybody's looking for a home-based business, but I bet you we're all looking to have a better credit status, to have save money on taxes, to eliminate debt, and to accumulate wealth. I mean, who doesn't want to do that? And so the 5 financial solutions that my econ provides is those very things: entrepreneurship, if you want to be an affiliate and network marketer; tax minimization; debt elimination; credit education; and investment education. And you can have 100% success in this business without ever selling or recruiting. I I love that. I love that. And I'm excited to be able to share this with you. So let's just take a look at the products. I know if you've watched some of my other videos, you've seen this before, but we have the ID Defender, Smart Credit System, the Cash Flow Manager, travel discounts. We have health and nutritional products and coffees. We have our cashback mall. We have the roadside assistance. We have credit monitoring. You can, if you don't want to be a team builder, you don't have to. You don't have to build a team. You can be an affiliate just for these products and make overrides and commissions every single month. And I should say, or you can add people, build a team, grow a network marketing business, and make money 2 different ways that way. But now we're going to get to the main thrust of what my econ is really all about, and this is what I missed before. So thanks to my friend Freddie for putting this together. He gets the credit. But our main product is income shifting, and there's 3 aspects of that. And the first one is cash flow management. We all need more cash flow. We all want to minimize our taxes. We all want to eliminate debt. Debt. I wish we could eliminate death, death by taxation, and minimize our expenses. So the very first thing you want when you join my econ, whether you do it as a business or not. Now, for now, let's just talk about not doing it as a business. Let's talk about the cake. Doing it as a business and getting monthly overrides and residual dream team commissions 5 months down the road. All of that is the icing. But right now we're going to talk about the cake, which is the income shifting. So the very first thing you do is you need to change your W-4. When my husband and I, now my husband still works out, outside the home. I work from the home. So we are eligible for both of these tax breaks. When we changed my husband's W-4, that gave us nearly a $200 raise per month. That right there covers my $35 payment to be in my econ. I don't have to pay it out of my pocket. The moment I join, first of all, it becomes a tax write-off, and we'll talk about that in a minute. But second of all, as soon as we change the W-4, that put money back in our pocket every month, which pays for my $35 my econ, and it also gives me, a nice little cushion for any marketing that I want to do, if I want to send some traffic to it or purchase a marketing system, that kind of thing, which is exactly what I did. And so it's not costing me a thing. As a matter of fact, I not only joined the business, I not only bought a marketing system, but I'm still making extra money. I haven't had to hit the threshold of the money that we put back in our pockets. I don't know about you. I would pay $35 all day to make $200 extra a month. So so that's $165 after being in my business that I have in my pocket. Some people get way more than we got. We're just two old fogies and only one of us work outside the home, but some people are getting literally hundreds and some thousands of dollars of savings on their taxes by just changing their W-4, which covers your business expenses. And then you have tax write-offs, and we're going to go into a little bit more detail on that here in a few minutes. But as a home business entrepreneur, the moment I joined my econ, that $35 became tax deductible. The moment I paid my second month, that became tax deductible because those are all business expenses. The moment I made my third payment, when I bought my marketing system, the Income Shift Pro, that's $25 a month. I earn a commission on that, by the way. But also, and now mine is free because when you have 5 people that have the marketing system, that's free. But that's a whole different video, and I have that on my channel here that you can watch as well. But those are tax deductible expenses. When I use my phone for my business. I use my internet for my business. I'm here in my living room. So I use part of my house as my office space. And we'll talk a little bit more in detail about some of those tax deductions, but that's already more money in our pocket that Uncle Sam would have. And this is what Ivy Stokes is always saying. Uncle Sam pays for your My Econ business. We show you exactly what to do. So Uncle Sam is paying your My Econ payment every month. Uncle Sam is paying for part of your, your internet expense or your phone expense. Uncle Sam is paying you to be in business. And this is one of the beautiful things about being in business in America. And the second aspect of the cash flow management then is shifting. Remember, it's all about income shifting some of that income into eliminating debt. So take your tax savings, and then we have we have calculators back there. We have everything back there to show you how even just a few extra dollars on a credit card debt or on a like an auto loan or your mortgage will help you pay that off years, and I mean years earlier in some cases. We are shaving 20 years off our mortgage just by paying the little bit extra we are on our mortgage every month, and taking some of that extra money and eliminating debt with it, and then shifting that income, taking some of that extra money and minimizing our expenses where the credit restoration comes in, and because what you can do, we all want to be able to purchase nice vehicles, nice homes, nice, whatever. But if we're getting a high interest rate loan or credit card, the burden of paying that back is insane. But when you restore your credit and you get it back up to a decent, 750 plus, you're going to get a way lower interest rate. Then you can refinance your house or refinance your car or do those kind of things and save yourself more money even that way. And then that accelerates debt elimination for you. And then we're going to talk about here on the next slide how you can increase your business income by doing that very thing. So there are 3 different aspects of the income shifting. One is cash flow management, which you just talked about. And again, forgive me, this is just a short, brief overview. Once you join my team, we put lots of trainings in place, and the information and in place for you to know exactly what to do next. So when you join, I will send you your next steps and tell you step by step, okay, do this, do that, do this, do that. And then we're going to put some training and tools in your hand to help you know how to do this. Your income shift, I don't know, let me see if I have it up here. I don't think I do. That's one of my rotators there, which is another bonus of being on my team. Let me see if I can get to the income shifting real quick. I really wasn't going to do this as part of it. It's probably going to go slow here. Let's see. All right, I'll come back to that. And there it comes, I think. What I want to show you is, sorry, trying to get to a certain place here. It's not going to let me do it that way. Let's try it this way. Bear with me here as I get to the place where I want to show you how to access, in case you're already in My Econ and you didn't even know you had an income shifting aspect or income shifting tab in your back office. I'm going to show you real quick how to access that. It's here where all your tabs are. You're going to click on Smart Credit System in your back office, and then when that comes up, hint, hint, I know it's got to be all these tabs I have open. I always do this. I know it's kind of crazy here. All right, I'm going to come back to that here in just a second. I really wanted to come up. Come on, baby. All right, maybe I'll pause this until I get it up so you don't have to. All right, it's back here. So what that does is it takes you to your smart credit system. But at the bottom of that, that's where your income shifting is. And that's where these modules are to show you step by step by step exactly how to do your W-4. Exactly, that the income shifting calculators are there. The debt elimination calculators are there. Everything is there. The tools that you need to show you how to shift your income and to put money back in your pocket. Instead of loaning it to Uncle Sam all the time, it gives it back to you and let Uncle Sam actually pay for your business. But let me get back to the income shifting. So the first aspect is cash flow management. The second aspect then is business income. And what we do, if you want to be part of the business itself, we teach you how to sell the products I showed you and how to recruit, to build a team. We do that by putting marketing, and we have a fantastic marketing system that really automates this and help you put this on autopilot by sending traffic to it, but also by creating sales funnels that convert, that you can build your team with. So, and then obviously that generates weekly income. We pay right to your bank account every single week, and that generates monthly income. And then we have the Dream Team commissions that I love at the end of 5 months. I tell everybody now, I give a disclaimer. If you are looking to just throw money at a system and hoping to get rich, but you're not planning on lifting a finger or doing anything, do not join my team. Okay? And if you're not going to commit to it at the minimum 30 days, 90 days, and and then 6 months and more, most people that have been in business understand business takes work. Business is not always, just push a button and have money flowing out of your computer. But it's worth it. It's worth the build. It's worth sticking to the stuff. And so I don't want you, if you're only going to be 30 days or even 2 weeks, some people are on to something else in 2 weeks. I don't want you if you're only going to do 60 days. I really don't want you if you're not even thinking 90 days. I will build with you. I will invest in you, but I'm not going to invest. I have given so much of my time, so much of my resources, money out of my pocket to help people build their teams. You build your team for you, and then to have you quit on me, and then I get hurt. It hurts your upline when you quit, especially inside a certain time frame. And so I don't want people like that. And so I'm not trying to step on toes, but I'm looking for people who are interested in seriously building a business, interested in seriously building an income. And so that's part of your business income. And then the common tax write-offs, which are awesome, is you are watching this video on either your phone, which is a communication device, or your computer, which is a communication device. So you can write off some of your internet bill, or some of your phone bill, or even purchasing a new phone. I purchased a new phone last year, and I got to write off a portion of that, because I do use a large portion of my phone strictly for business. If you take, a family member or friend out to a meal, and you tell them about My Econ, that part of that meal is deductible. Traveling, say you travel to an event, or you travel to go do an in-home show with someone or whatever, those expenses are deductible. And of course, your mileage is included with that. This is one of my favorites. I don't have any children left at home, but if you have children left at home, anywhere from the ages of 6 to 17, you know that with the new tax laws, the government has changed the standard deduction from 60, I think it was around 6,300, 6,500 per child to $12,000 per child. Did you know we're at the time stage, right now of the year where kids are getting ready to go back to school? And whether you like it or not, you have to pay, you got book bags, you got shoes, you got gym clothes, you got sports, you got band instruments, you got books, you got fees, you got school supplies. You can pay your children up to $12,000 a year. That is all deductible, and then that's the money you're going to pay for their items with. And so all of that will be deductible. So you will be able to deduct up to a certain amount a year per child. And some of the people, some of you have like 5 children, 6 children, 7 children, 2 children, whatever. It doesn't matter. Is you can pay. You're allowed. Uncle Sam allows you to pay them a salary, and then that money, all of the things that you have to already buy. You already have to, put gas in your car to take them to a football game or, cheerleading practice. You already have to buy their school supplies. You already have to buy school clothes. So why not let Uncle Sam pick up the ticket for that for you? And that's what we teach you inside of My Econ. I don't know about you, but are you getting excited yet? It makes me wish I still had little ones at home. That's not the only reason. I'm just kidding. I love children, but how cool is that? And then the third thing I want to show you is, so you have the cash flow management, you have the business income, and now you've got investment income. Now there's two important elements of the investment income is terminology, understanding the terminology and having the right perspective on investing. Now some people are investing in getting double-digit returns in stocks and bonds and mutual funds. I personally am interested in real estate. There are other things, but they take you. Do you know in the archives of In My Econ, there is I think it's either a 3-part or 5-part wealth accumulation investment strategy videos that shows you exactly what to do. It shows you exactly how to invest your income. So you can take all of these savings and then all of these savings and start applying it to some of these things here and totally, totally revamp your finances, change your life, get yourself out of a debt pit, and increase your cash flow into the 5 figures to 6 figures, and God willing, the seven figures or more. And you are your biggest investment. Your biggest investment is your business. So even just, this all frees you up to put money into your My Econ business. So now, if you didn't have the time or the resources before to build a business, but we're just trying to get your finances in order, now you have a little bit more time because maybe you were able to quit that second job. Now you have a little bit more capital that you can invest in your business and grow this into the empire that I know that you want to have, that I want to have. I mean, I always give the disclaimer, it's not all about money. We know that, but you have to have it to live. You have to pay the bills. You have to get your credit cards paid. You have to get the kids through school and God willing through college. You can eliminate your student loans, and again, your auto loans, your mortgage, all that way sooner just by applying our main product. So if you're thinking about joining a home-based business, but recruiting scares you, and or selling products scares you, and most people I talk to really don't have a whole lot of internet marketing savvy. Well, just start with the product. Your product's going to be paid for the moment you change your W-4 or start writing off some of those taxes. And then build upon, as I showed you, build upon each of the 3 aspects of the income shifting, so you get to a place where it doesn't hurt your family to when you invest in a business, and it doesn't hurt your pocketbook when you you purchase some traffic to grow your business. And so As you can tell, like today I said is my 90-day anniversary. I'm just as excited, actually even more so, now that I fully understand what this really is about and the financial personal success company that we are. There is really no reason to not join and let Uncle Sam pick up the ticket for you. So, and I'm not taking any sales, just to let you know. And let me give a little pitch here for some of the bonuses that I have. You saw my one rotator. That's for people that pick up the ISP marketing system. It is fantastic. It actually will do the selling, the telling for you, and it does it in a two-part system. You're going to be blown away with that. But I always put my rotator links in the description. I'm not taking any personal sales because I'm giving them away to my downline. That is a bonus of joining my team. Another bonus is the rotator, and my team leader also has a rotator for those in my econ. And we have the marketing training and all the tools. You get support. I add you to my secret group on Messenger, and where you have access to training, tidbits, strategies, hacks, for marketing here and there. And so a resource guide that I put together of top-notch coaching, training, and traffic resources. And so like this video if it was helpful to you. Please subscribe to my channel. Check out the links in the description below. And I would love to see you on the inside.